Welcome back to my YouTube channel Ride and Review. Today we will talk about the Tesla Model S. The Tesla Model S is a groundbreaking all-electric luxury sedan that has set new standards in the automotive industry since its debut in 2012. With its sleek design, impressive range, and advanced technology, the Model S continues to be one of the most desirable electric vehicles on the market. Tesla currently offers two variants, the Model S Long Range and the high-performance Model S Plaid. The long-range model focuses on maximizing efficiency and driving distance, while the Plaid version is built for speed and power, making it one of the fastest production sedans ever made. The Model S Plaid features a tri-motor all-wheel drive system that delivers an astonishing 1,020 horsepower. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.99 seconds, making it the quickest production car in the world. With a top speed of 200 miles per hour, it offers an exhilarating driving experience that rivals some of the most expensive supercars. The long-range model, while not as extreme, still delivers incredible performance, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 3.1 seconds and a top speed of 149 miles per hour. This balance of power and efficiency makes the Model S one of the most well-rounded electric vehicles available today. Tesla is known for its industry-leading battery technology, and the Model S is no exception. The long-range version offers an EPA estimated range of 405 miles on a single charge, while the Plaid model provides approximately 396 miles of range. These figures make the Model S one of the longest-range electric vehicles on the market, giving drivers the confidence to take long trips without worrying about frequent charging stops. Tesla's vast Supercharger network allows for rapid charging, adding up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. This fast charging capability significantly reduces downtime, making road trips in the Model S more convenient than ever. Inside, the Model S offers a futuristic and minimalist interior that is packed with cutting-edge technology. The centerpiece of the cabin is a massive 17-inch touchscreen that controls nearly all of the car's functions, from navigation to climate control and entertainment. The interface is highly responsive, offering a seamless user experience with features like real-time traffic updates, video streaming, and advanced voice commands. The car also supports wireless gaming and comes equipped with a premium sound system for an immersive audio experience. Tesla's software updates continuously improve the car's features over time, ensuring that owners always have access to the latest advancements. One of the most unique aspects of the Model S is its Yoke-style steering wheel, which replaces the traditional circular design. While some drivers appreciate the futuristic look and feel, others find it takes some time to get used to. Tesla offers an option to revert to a conventional steering wheel for those who prefer